Welcome to Zanoor Quiz. Get ready for the Islamic General Knowledge Quiz. Let's get started. To which prophet was the Zabur revealed? Who was the first man to write by using a pen? Prophet Idris. Which surah is known as the mother of the Quran? Surat Al-Fatiha. Which prophet is mentioned the most in the Quran? Prophet Musa. How many prophets are mentioned in the Quran? "25." The Injil was revealed to which prophet? Prophet Isa. Which messenger was gifted with the ability to interpret dreams? Prophet Yusuf. How old was the Prophet Muhammad when he got married to Khadija? "25." Who is the last prophet in Islam? Prophet Muhammad. Who is the first martyr in Islam? Sumayya. Which country's name is mentioned in the Quran? Egypt. What do angels say when they meet believers? Assalamu alaykum. When we start any work, what should we say? Bismillah. What is the 55th chapter of the Quran? Surat Al-Rahman. In which month was the Battle of Badr fought? Ramadan. How many verses are in the Quran? "6,236." What is the first food the people of Jannah will eat? Liver of a fish. Which is the longest surah in the Quran? Surah Al-Baqarah. How many names known to mankind does Allah have? "99." Who is known as the father of prophets? Prophet Ibrahim.